I'm Rika. I'm just moved to America, but unfortunately, I live with dirty Americans. First, I would like to give the credit to Mr. Crapper, who invented the crapper and Lysol. Many Americans are heathens and use outhouses or toilets like this one. Intelligent Japanese have upgraded this primitive device with technology. I will show you how to not be disgusting. Start by removing these two bolts. To remove the toilet seat, you might need screwdriver or a wrench. To feel fresh and be clean, I will install the Japanese toilet. To install the toilet, you need just a few easy to assemble parts. First, to take these rubber wash and put over the hole, and then take this and put on the toilet. Hey, shut up! I hate you! Next, I take these plastic bolts and insert in the hole, and then take these washer rubber and nuts and put bottom. Take this tool and tighten the bolt. Tool and tighten the bolt. Get away from me! Cookie! The seat on the toilet, install the hose first. Cookie. Don't be dumb. Turn the water off first, then remove the nut. All you need to do is hook up the hoses and then install the seat. Damn it. Just hook up the last hose and plug it in. Even a dirty American can figure out how to turn the water back on.